So today I am doing a face beat with my mini me.
Yeah,
GlassesUSA.com, and they sent me 2 pairs of glasses. So let's open them up. All right, so I'm opening up the sunglasses first. Ooh, these are cute. So these are prescripted. I am happy I sent them my prescription. So these come with prescriptions and they are super affordable. So this is eyeglass number 1. It's given. I love the frames. I love the lenses on these, like how dark they are. These are cute. So it do come with the cleaner cloth. And all I'm doing is just wiping the lenses. And this is lens number 2. Let me see. Ooh, let me see. Now these lenses is the opposite from the first one. These are clear, they are light, and these are also prescripted as well. So included in this box are my prescription cards, which I think are really cute. So on the back of it, it has my prescription, my name, all my info, and these are so cute. So let me just show y'all. Go to GlassesUSA.com and you choose between, you have eyeglasses, sunglasses, and they have thousands of brands, like thousands. They have a whole lot. I should say, I'm gonna choose the Prada frames. So the great thing about this website is you can try it online. Like you can try them on and see how it fits your face. So you hit try online. There go my ugly picture. And I tried on the frames and I like the way they look. They have different colors. You hit add to cart and then you use my promo code to save you some money on your glasses. Simple. It's that simple.
Hold on. This is all my makeup I got because I got this lipstick was a flower on it because this is so amazing because you want to see this makeup? Look at this makeup. This makeup is so beautiful. You see all the colors? I got purple and pink and all the colors. And I got blue and black, purple, and also brown.
Okay. So what we doing today?
We're doing some tutorials.
Today we are doing a mommy and daughter makeup.
Okay, let's see what makeup we're gonna do. Alright, let's see what I'm gonna pick. I picked Ariel makeup, yeah.
You're gonna do Ariel?
And what is your favorite? What is your makeup gonna be?
I'm gonna be Catwoman.
Oh, I like that name too. Okay, come on, let's do it.
Alright, so who y'all think gonna win?
I think I'm gonna win because I think mom is gonna lose because I think I'm gonna lose so because I think my mom is gonna
Girl, what do you think?
Okay, let's get the chat started.
Alright, let's get it started.
Yeah.
How about this? We don't even gotta make it a challenge.
Yeah.
Wait, can I talk? Okay, so we don't have to make it a challenge. How about I do the makeup and you follow? So I'm gonna do makeup on me and then you're gonna do the makeup on you.
Yeah.
But you gotta follow.
Yeah, I'm gonna
follow. So you know what follow?
Yeah.
When you follow, that means you gotta, what's this?
Listen.
Thank you. So today we're gonna moisturize our face with some Pond's.
Yeah, baby.
A little bit, Zylah, because you like to go overboard. A little bit. And let me see. All right, now, where we put it?
Right on my face.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh God, my mom. You need to be careful.
I am careful. All right, let me see. Wipe it all the way in. Wipe it all the way in. Doing now?
We're doing our eyes today. Oh.
Be careful. Okay, so we're gonna do some eyeshadow. Some eyeshadow. Let me see.
Those are mine.
Okay, I'll use this palette.
Yeah, me too. I wish I have that palette like you.
Oh, you wish you could have this palette?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
But come on, let's get this part started, yo. Yeah.
What party? Sis, relax. We're not even going to our party.
I'm not talking about party. I'm not talking about party.
Okay.
I'm talking about this
Let me see
party.
your show them your brush.
My brush looks like this.
And then
Oh yeah, bro. Come on. Oh yeah, baby.
oh yeah. Ooh.
Okay, now for the purple.
Wait, you didn't even do your other eye. Can you take your time when you do your makeup, girl?
Oh yeah, girl, you need to polish this makeup right now. You need to be quiet. Oh. Okay. That's good enough for my...
Let me see yours. I ain't tell you do purple. See? What was the key thing that we had to do?
Listen.
Yeah. So, are you gonna listen or are you gonna try to do your own thing?
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna be right back.
No, you don't gotta wipe it off. Come, let me see. No, let's not do purple, okay? Pay attention to the colors that I'm telling you. Next, we're gonna do a little bit of brown.
Oh, a little bit brown.
This one. Do it. All right, do it on this side. Do the brown. So where foundation go?
On cheek.
All over your face. Foundation goes all over your face. Let's see. Turn. Turn.
You put foundation? Yeah.
Yeah, can you look at me? Okay. Rub it in. You told me you're gonna beat me in my makeup, so let me see. Keep blending. Say blend, blend. Tell them what they gotta do.
Blend, blend, blend.
They gotta continue blending.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You put foundation?
Yeah, I put foundation. Gotta put the foundation.
Girl, you need to take that off makeup right now. I'm gonna do the best makeup in the whole world. I'm gonna do Ariel makeup because I like Ariel.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, what favorite color is yours?
I'm gonna do, I'm not sure yet. Natural. I like natural. I don't like the cartoon makeup.
Oh, what's natural?
Natural means, natural means like bare, like this is the natural state, like with no makeup. But I'm gonna give it a look that looks like I have a little bit of makeup, but it still looks like me.
Yeah, girl, yeah. You also need to do a picture of your booty shot like Jace. Look. You shake your booty like, look, in the picture like that. Shake your booty like that.
No, okay, I'm not gonna do that.
Because my daddy will hurt your butt. You better stop doing these shaking your butt.
Okay. Okay.
Lip gloss.
Absolutely not.
Foundation.
No.
Concealer.
Tell them.
Concealer.
Tell them.
Concealer. This is concealer, Mom?
Concealer.
Concealer. Oh, you put something on.
Where do you put concealer at? Where?
Right on your cheek.
Yes, under your eye.
Because,
Okay, wait. So like this?
Oh, you want to do it? Me too.
Okay, you can do my other eye. Do this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, me too.
All right, just a little bit.
Wait, hold on. My picture.
Just a little bit. Okay, let me see. Okay, perfect.
You want me to rub it?
No, wait, I'm gonna show you how to rub it. Oh, Lord.
Oh, me too.
No, you did yours. Zylah, why would you do this to my brushes? Why? 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 That's not funny. These are cool, good brushes that I use.
That wasn't me.
Who was it, Zylah?
It was the mustache man.
I got cameras in this house. Should I play back the camera to see who did this to my makeup? If I play the camera, who did this to my makeup? All right, let me play the camera.
Oh, wait, no, me.
So why are you saying the monster? Stop lying on people.
Okay.
Let's go.
I'm gonna rub my makeup now.
Go. Look at me. Blend. Say blend.
Blend.
Let me see.
Blend.
Let me help you a little.
Ooh, me too.
Where did we go? Wait, you don't even know where to go.
It goes on our cheek, on our eyes.
Under.
Under our eyes.
I even got the right brushes. Cause somebody used my brushes.
It was me.
Better be glad. This makeup is to do in the house. I'm not going outside with this makeup because Lord knows it's probably really not blended.
Yeah, our nose is not blended right now, girls. What's the pebble? What? What?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
Okay. Let me do
You
it.
go around your lip.
I'm gonna do it by myself.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. It's going to take so long, girl.
No, it's not.
Okay, girl. What's wrong with you? Thank you. What do you need to do? You wanna put it on
Wipe your mouth. Wipe it. Wipe your lips. Okay, now go. Oh. Oh, let me see. Okay, let me see. Stop. Let me see. Look at me. Ooh,
I look like a boy.
you look like a mustache. He was keeping it cute using NYX. Pass me my Dior.
Hey, I
Oh.
need some.
Okay.
Wait, I need just a...
Oops.
You want to see my makeup? Look. Mwah.
So, give this video, let them know. What you gonna say? Take over.
Take over and give me a huge thumbs up if you like my radio show right now.
Whatever she said.
Yeah, girl. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Mwah.
We love you. I did so much makeup. I put some on my cheek. Then I put some on my eyes. Put them right here. Then all that. Bye-bye.